Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge Transfer. In today's topic, I'm gonna cover what is reclassification in Oracle Fusion Fixed Asset Model. And it is one of the fixed asset concepts. And if you are new in this channel, make sure that you are covering first all the basic setups which I had already covered in my past videos so that you will be able to sync it to the today's topic, that is reclassification. So we had already covered all these topics as well as a part of a concept. And today is the topic we will be covering is reclassification. Now, let me give it a brief. What does reclassification work and why it is needed? How does it work? So, let's say you have one asset in this categories. This is the major categories and this is the minor categories as asset. And after posting the asset, you realize like, okay, we want to change the asset categories to this asset categories, that is RRR furniture and sofa. So you can do this with the help of this reclassification without retiring the asset. You're not going to retire the asset and create a new asset as an asset categories of RRR furniture and sofa. What are you gonna do is you'll be just be reclassification from building to furniture, and it will be showing you in the system as new as same asset but in RRR furniture and sofa categories. Let's quickly jump into the system to see how does it look like. I hope you are good with the navigation now, so I will not be going in that much details like how does we navigate to the asset page, go to the task list, and here we have inquire asset. So I had already have one asset which comes under the asset categories as building and office building. What we're gonna do is now we'll be changing the asset categories to some other categories as sofa and furniture. Make sure whenever you are testing this, you should be having at least two asset categories to test those. Let's see if you have only one asset categories, means you won't be able to test the reclassification topic. Make sure that you are going to create one more asset categories. Any example you can take it so far, whatever you want, and change the asset to this asset categories. So you will be creating one asset, you will be posting the asset in this asset categories, and later on you will be doing the reclassification that will go the asset into the this asset category, that is furniture. It's not only the asset categories we can change it with the help of the reclassification. There are some other things as well. Let me show you. So what you're gonna do is go to the task list, click on adjust asset, search for the asset, which asset you want to change the asset categories or whatever the details you want. So this is the asset number, search. So you can change the financial details, means you will be changing the amount of those asset or whatever the details you want. You can explore it during your testing period. And you can change the transfer source line, means you can transfer the amount of this asset. Let's say there is an asset of 10 rupees, and you will be transferring 2 rupees from this asset to some designation asset. This also possible with the help of transfer source line, but here we are going to check the change asset categories. So this is my asset number, description is computer, category is RRR building, office building. I'll be changing the asset categories. Click on change categories, search for the new asset categories. So this is the new asset categories as RRR furniture and sofa. Click on OK, save, submit. So this is how you change the asset categories of an asset, whichever the asset you want. Now, if you want to verify it, what you will be doing is you will be going to the inquire asset page, search for the same asset, check the details has been changed as RRR furniture and sofa. So this is how reclassification work in Oracle Fusion fixed asset model. So I hope you had liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and share it. Thank you.